The Houthi group in Yemen has claimed to have attacked a British cargo ship and downed a USA drone over its territory. The ship, reportedly significantly damaged, has been abandoned by its crew. The Houthis have been targeting ships in the Red Sea, demanding an end to Israel's war on Gaza. Their attacks have disrupted global trade passing through the Red Sea. In response to the Houthis' actions, the United States carried out 5 strikes in Yemen. The Houthis have expanded their attacks to include USA and UK ships following these countries' strikes on Yemen. The cargo ship Ruby Mar suffered catastrophic damages and is now at risk of sinking in the Gulf of Aden. The crew safely exited the ship. During the operation, the British maritime security firm Ambry confirmed that the Ruby Mar, a UK-registered, Belize-flagged, and Lebanese-operated cargo ship, was attacked. The United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations, UKMTO, confirmed the incident, reporting that the crew had abandoned the vessel, which is now at anchor. All crew members are safe, and military authorities are on the scene providing assistance. The Houthi military spokesperson declared on Monday that the group remains steadfast and will continue its attacks. The USA Central Command CENTCOM announced that it successfully launched strikes against 3 mobile anti-ship cruise missiles, a surface drone, and an underwater drone. This marked the first instance of the Houthis attempting to use an unmanned underwater vessel since the war's inception. The conflict in Gaza, led by Israel, has resulted in the death of over 29,000 Palestinians, predominantly women and children. There are no signs of the conflict ceasing as Israel is determined to extend its ground offensive into Rafah, the last major city in the enclave where approximately 1.4 million Palestinians are seeking refuge.